Welcome to question number 6 of our radical functions review. I want to solve these radical equations, the first one being the square root of 6x minus 2, the whole thing in the radicand, is equal to 8. So we first want to square both sides of this equation. That will drop the radical, the square root, on the left side to just be 6x minus 2 is equal to 8 squared, so 64. And now add 2 to both sides. These cancel. And we'd be left with 6x is equal to 66. And then divide by 6. Dividing by 6 gives us an x value of 66 divided by 6, or 11. If we put the 11 back into the equation just to make sure it works, this would be the square root of 6 times 11 minus 2. So 66 minus 2, that means the square root of 64, and that does indeed make 8. So we're fine with that result. For part B, we have the cubic root of 4x minus 1, the whole thing in that radicand, minus 3 is equal to 0. So we first need to add 3 to both sides. So the cubic root of 4x minus 1 is equal to 3. Now we could cube both sides. And that would help, and that would get rid of the cubic root on the left-hand side. Just to leave 4x minus 1 is equal to 27. Now we can add 1 to both sides. And that would leave us with 4x is equal to 28. We could divide by 4 and give us an answer of x is equal to 7. And plugging that back into our original equation, this is the cubic root of 4 times 7 minus 1 minus 3. So this is 28 minus 1 is 27. Cubic root of 27 is 3. Minus 3 does indeed make 0. So again, we are fine with that particular result. And let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.